Hello. So we are back, and this time we have a customer job. You know, there are customer and customers. I have people, they go on the website, they fill the form, they open a service request number, email. And I have people, they done it once, and the next one now is gone. Yeah? So they send a package, usually computer shop, I believe. They send a package, and later on, they send me an email. I send you 2 laptops, just have a look, see if you can fix them, like this guy. So he sent me 2 laptops, and it's not focusing. The Go laptop has no power. The other one has no image, but does power on okay. The screen in the laptop is the old one, and the new one is on the top on the new one. Yeah, so one laptop comes stripped off, and this laptop is the gold one, and has no power. Okay, this is an Acer, a Chromebook. It's kind of a nice laptop, but it's Chromebook. I can't use Chromebook. Anyway, let's check what this is doing. We have the customer charger here. Let's plug the charger. Let's check the charger first, yeah? So the charger voltage has, let's see, 19.3. So the charger is good, yeah? So it's not a charger issue. We have a dead laptop issue, right? Yeah, we have no light here, you can see. Wait. Oh, lol, has no screws. I didn't even see. So has no screws, has a sticker, no power. And the screws are here on the back. Wow. Okay, opening the laptop, pressing the power button. It's not doing anything. I mean, we can assume the laptop is dead. Has no screws, because the screw goes on the bag. Okay, so we took the back cover out. Let's see. Can we spot anything obvious? I can't see liquid damage. I cannot see something like that. The board is looking good. Yeah, so probably this was taken from somewhere, over a connector. Okay, let's check the voltage. Let's check the voltage. We have ground, we have plus. Don't tell me I start the video for a charging port issue. And the charger is 0 volts. Okay. You know what happened when you have a shorted motherboard? You plug the charger, and the charger are meant. I don't know. Some chargers they comes on after you remove the shorts, but some chargers like this one, it will stay 0 if the output was shorted. You see, like this one. So in order to bring it back to life, you have to unplug it and plug it back. You have to unplug the charger. Just wait a few seconds, the voltage goes down a little bit, and plug back the charger, and hopefully the charger is on again. Let's see. Yeah, we have 19.3. Okay, so we are not plugging the charger anymore. Let's come with the power supply. 19. Low current. About 500 milliamps, let's say like that, 500. So we have ground, I mean minus and plus. You can see you have 2 black wires and 2 red wires. So 2 are minus, 2 are plus. But minus you can take from anywhere. You can take from here, from this metal. You can take from here, if this is ground, from here. I prefer from the charging port. And plus to the red wires. We have 2 red wires, and we have a short. The voltage get dropped to 1.8 volts. We have the limit is like 900 milliamps. Okay, so this is kind of strange because it's not after the first 2 MOSFETs. If it's the short is after the first 2 MOSFETs, we should have like around 4 or 5 volts. But this is like 1.8 volts. It's not 0, it's 1.8. Which wait, it's not 1.8. 1 second. It's 1 volt. 1 volt means the short is probably after the first MOSFET. Yeah, something like that. The problem is the power is going on the other side of the board. You can see we have nothing here. So I believe the best thing is to take out the motherboard and see where the power is going. We have to follow the power. Wait, do you think the short is on the charging port? Yeah, let's unplug the charging port. Minus. No, it's not. It's on the motherboard. Okay, let's take out the motherboard. Okay, so we took out the motherboard. And all we have to do is to follow the power. I mean, you know, look how simple it is to follow the power. Yeah. So here you can see you have the port. You have the port, and on the other side, you have like a track. You have a, what do you have there? You have an inductor, and it's going to the first MOSFET. Then you have the second MOSFET. Huh? Or not? Wait, I can't see the current sensor. I can see a current sensor here, but this is from the battery, but I can't see it here. So I believe this track is going, yeah, it's going here. Look, I don't even have to check. So the track from here, this MOSFET, is going exactly here to this current resistor. Let's check. Let's check to be sure. Let's check. I can bet. Because figuring out the schematic, that's the first step. So from here, I said it's going here. It's going here. Check there, 0 ohms. You see? So I know it's going there. Now checking with the ground, 5 ohms. 5 ohms. And I said the short is not here. No, it's not here. I said the short is after the second MOSFET, and it's not after the second MOSFET. It's not after the first MOSFET, it's after the second. It's the main power rail is shorted. But the main power rail has 5 ohms, which is bad. But wait, it doesn't make sense. 1 second. If it's 5 ohms. No. Look, this is tricky. So 5 ohms. With 5 ohms, we should have a lot of voltage there, not 1 volt. Okay, it's tricky. This is a tricky repair. I don't believe it's a MOSFET because the MOSFET are not getting shorted on these cheap boards. You see, you have a, what do we have here? Intel Atom CPU or what? N, Intel Celeron N, I don't know, CPU? Okay. Let's leave this on one side. Yeah. And just to make the job easier. Yeah, just to make the job easier. I mean, that's all. Just to have like a quick diagnose with the thermal camera. Can I do it without the thermal camera? Yes, I can, but wait. Don't feed the red wire to the ground, yeah? Don't do it. The black wire should be at the ground. I can, but it's more risky. I mean, I have to use more current to feel the heat. But we are using 0.9 volts, low current here, and it's taking 500 milliamps. And we're gonna find what is taking 500 milliamps, yeah, with 0.9 volts. Hopefully it's not the CPU, but I'll have a look first. No, it's not the CPU. No. Look, what is there? That's a chip here. It's a capacitor. 5 ohms from a capacitor? That's strange. So from here to here, 5 ohms. You can see on the screen 5 ohms. But if we are going under the microscope, yeah, let's go under the microscope. Good. So one of those capacitors, I don't know which one of those, you have 2 capacitors here on the main power rail, yeah? Let's bring some alcohol, a little bit of alcohol. Good. Here, like that. Now let's come with some current here on the resistor. Okay, let's raise the current because you know it's a capacitor. Check there. You see that one? You seen it? Look how quickly it's getting evaporated. You see it? Yeah, that's the one. I can't believe. 5 ohms capacitor. So you see, it's not like always a capacitor has 0 ohms. I mean, we've seen on the last video, a capacitor can have like 40 ohms. Now wait, 1 second. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so we remove the capacitor. Now the power rail is still shorted. Let's come with the power supply. The power supply, here we have ground. Yeah, here must be ground plus. And it's not short anymore. You can see on the power supply, not short. Pretty interesting, right? Now let's connect the board quickly. Do we need another capacitor? Nah, you remember what I said? No capacitor, no shorted capacitor. Yeah. You know, we should charge extra money. We should charge extra money and we should accept jobs like good laptops. Oh, sorry, please remove the capacitors. Yeah. Why not? I mean, everything is possible in those days. Everything is possible. So you have the keyboard, you have the touchpad. Yeah, we don't need a Wi-Fi card. No, we don't need it. We need a charging port. Yeah, we need a charging port. We need this connector, which is from the USB. Good. We need a battery. Yeah, we don't need screws. No. Let's plug the battery. Good. And let's plug the charger. Yeah, let's plug the charger. Let's see what it's doing. Plug in the charger. And it's doing nothing. We have no lights. You can see. That's bad. Can I put the board back? Minus, plus. Switch to 20. We have 19. You can see on the screen. You can see 19 volts. But why we have no lights there? We should have the charging light. Let's try to press the power button. Pressing the power button. And nothing happened. It's not coming on. Lol, you know what? I believe someone put a capacitor there. Probably this is a dead board and they said, you know what? Let's get Sorin to get excited because he found a shorted capacitor, but actually the board is dead. He's doing nothing. And we put the board back. Can't believe. Okay, let's take the board out. This is karma, you know, karma. The capacitor karma. Why did I put the board back? Okay, let's check again. Wait, I don't have the charging port. Wait, I don't even want the charging port. I want the power supply. Because the power supply is speaking with me. Yeah, 19, few amps. Let's see, so we have ground and we have plus. And it's taking nothing. Should take 10 milliamps. If it's under the 10 milliamps, my power supply it will not show me. So you know what? Let's do it on this way. Let's plug the charger. You think it is possible to have two faults on the same board? Huh? What do you think? The main power L is present. It's 19 volts. You can see on the screen. So if I check here or anywhere, it's 19. Like here. Wait. Okay, this is a different design. Wait. So actually you don't have the main power L here. The main power L is generated probably by some power supply like this one. This one has nothing. Nothing. We have 19 on this MOSFET. That kind of sucks because it's very possible it will not work if the battery is discharged. And also it will not work without the battery. So let's check the battery voltage, yeah? Let's check the battery voltage. Plus, we have minus, and it's 0 volts. Let's go with the power supply, and let's charge the battery a little bit if it's taking current. A minus, we have plus, and it's taking nothing. Nothing. That's bad. Because the battery is getting enabled by the EC chip. Wait. Let's check one more time. The battery voltage. Wait, this power. No. This power supply is from the battery. We have 1.2 volts. Let's go with the power supply. Let's see, ground plus. Now it's taking power, you see? Just have in mind, if the battery is not taking power, just plug the charger. Yeah, you plug the charger, the I/O chip has like 3.3, and it will enable the battery. Like here you can see, now it's taking current. Taking 1 amp. Let's raise the current a little bit. Yeah, it's taking 1.7 amps, you can see. No problems. But wait, I didn't plug the charger. The charger is not plugged in. So why was not taking power after? 1 second. Yeah, now it's taking power. That's crazy. I checked earlier, it was not taking power. So minus plus. Now it's taking power. Okay, let's check the voltage. The battery seems to be good. 9.6 volts. Okay, let's check the main power L. Let's see if it's present. $9.5. It is present. Okay, it is present. Let's plug the charger. Let's see if we have any light. Oh, let's check the volt. Let's check the super I/O voltage. Yeah? Do we have 3.3 on the BIOS chip? We have nothing. Okay, that means nothing. Yeah, don't worry about that. Just forget. Let's check one more time. just to be sure I have a dead board and was not like because of a dead battery. Yeah. Let's plug this. Let's plug the charger. Yeah. Let's see if we have any light. Check here. Check here. What did I told you? What did I told you? If you have a discharged battery or no battery, you'll have no light. It will not work. Check. You have both light. You have the charging light and the power on light. And the CPU is getting warm. You see exactly what I told you. Exactly what I told you. What do you think about that? So we took the board out for nothing. All what this laptop needs is just a little bit of current onto the battery. You see? This is like, you know, the MacBook style. Actually, the main power rail is created with a switchy power supply. Okay, the battery is plugged in. Now let's plug the charger. And it's not working. Okay. Okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Let's unplug the battery. So basically, with the board connected, we have something shorted, right? First, let's unplug the screen, you know? I have a feeling we have a shorted screen, yeah? Now let's plug the battery. Let's plug the charger. And it's still not working. Okay, you know what? I mean, can be anything, I swear. Let's unplug the keyboard. Let's plug back the battery. Let's plug the charger. No, it's still not working. Okay, let's unplug the battery. Let's unplug the touchpad. Do you think? Can be a shorted touchpad? Let's plug the battery. Let's plug the charger. This is sick. I mean, I unplugged every cable, yeah? Every cable is unplugged. And it's not working. But early, you seen the red and blue light. You seen it. And yeah, obviously, you has to have disconnected to have the lights here. So I'm sure this is fine. There are faults which they are not logical, like this one. This is stupid. We just checked with the board out here. We just checked. Right? So what we did, we came with the power supply. With the power supply, we put some battery some current into the battery. Yeah. And now it's taking current, and now I have orange and blue light. You know what? Nah, I will not take the battery out anymore. No, that's fine. That's fine. We can connect the cables as the board is running. It's fine. We like the risk. Yeah. We do like it. I can feel the adrenaline, you know. I can't take my mind out in the moment when I will plug the screen. And the light goes off. And all I plugged the keyboard. Oh. Wait, it doesn't make sense. I don't understand. I am dodgy. Now I put current into the battery, but I still have no light there. You can see no light. So in order to have light, I have to disconnect the charger. I have to disconnect the battery. Now let's reconnect the battery, reconnect the charger, put some charger into the battery, some current. Yeah, and now I do have the orange light and the blue light. Okay, and now the board is on. I can feel the CPU. So I'm not sure how we can treat this job. What's the issue? All we found was a shorted capacitor. 26 minutes, I can't believe it. 26 minutes there, and we didn't figure out what's the problem. And the light is off. Why the light is going off? .544, so it's not charging. 4.3, 4.5. It's charging. Let me come with the power supply. Let's see if it's charging. 19. No, it's taking no power. It's taking no power. But look, I do have, check here, I have the orange light and the blue light, you can see? But it's taking no power. I do have the charging, look, the charging LED is coming on, but it's taking zero. Zero, check that, zero. Nothing, no current, it's taking no current at all. You know what, let's check something together. Let's take the multimeter on the on mode, beeping mode, 0 ohms. 0 ohms, and the second one is good. But you see the first one? 0 ohms. Why the MOSFET died? Probably because of the shorted capacitor, but I never think, you know, oh, let me check the MOSFET. That's crazy. I mean, I didn't found too many laptops like, okay, if there is a shorted capacitor, probably it's a shorted MOSFET. No. But a channel N MOSFET. Here the pads are fine. And the MOSFET, which is here, is gone. Now, from where we are getting another MOSFET? From any board, yeah? We can get the MOSFET from any board, a channel N MOSFET. Channel N MOSFET. First, let's figure it out which is the ground. This is ground, this is plus. So the plus has to go here. This is channel P. Channel N, sorry. Not this. This is channel N MOSFET. Let's remove the MOSFET. I mean, doesn't have to be the same. Remember what I said with the chip? If it's looking like a duck, and it's making sounds like a duck, and it's walking like a duck, must be a duck. Remember the laptop with the chip, the chip which I bought it from China? But actually, yeah, I was wrong with the chip which I bought it from UK. Because that was my mistake. But the one from China was faulty, and they refound me, you know. Surprising, but they refound me. And indeed, the people said, sorry, why didn't buy the chip from Acer? What's happening here? The chip it is on Mauser, but if you try to check out with that chip, it's like 18 pounds. And you'll say, yeah, sorry, but 18 pounds is not that much. So we have to spin the MOSFET like that. It's not that much. The problem is with the local repair shops, I'm working a 50-50. Yeah, so 50-50 the profit, 50-50. So if you just think a little bit, are not that much money for me. Like 50% from a laptop repair, which is 80 pounds, so half is 40 pounds, and you know what I mean. I'm just trying, just trying to make some money. That's the reason why I bought that chip from China. It was cheap. Was I think like 10 pounds? Not 10. No, like 5. I think it was like 5. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I know, it's my fault. I know. Let's solder this MOSFET. I know, trying to save some money. I know. It was my fault. So it is looking like a duck, yeah? The next one is a duck. Yeah, it's looking like a duck and it's walking like a duck. It's getting soldered like a duck. Yeah, that's perfect. Now I'm confident, you know what? Now I'm confident, and I can even put the board back. I'm confident that was the problem. That was the issue. Good. The screen, the battery. Let's plug the battery. And now let's plug the charger. Let's plug the charger. Charging light, power on light. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Huh? And we have picture. Magic. 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 So the problem was a capacitor and a MOSFET. That was the issue. And I have a name on the screen and now I have to edit the video. Okay. I have the charging sign on the corner. I shut down. Yeah, that was the problem. If it is charging the battery, it is charging the battery. I'm pretty sure it is charging the battery. I don't even have where to check. 10.6, 94, 97, 99. Yeah, you can see the voltage is going up, so it is charging the battery. Okay, so I'll stop. I don't know. I can't believe 34 minutes for a shorted capacitor. And then I found a shorted capacitor in the first 5 minutes, and then 20 minutes I tried to figure out the fault. Yeah, this kind of fault, it will drive you crazy. I mean, you've seen it's a capacitor, and even that capacitor, it's weird, like 5 ohms capacitor. You remove the capacitor, and then you ask yourself, I'm too dodgy because I didn't replace the capacitor, and that's the reason why this board is not working. I didn't ask myself. Probably any normal technician need to ask themselves, oh, now I'm dodgy as Sorin, and it's not working. Let me put back the capacitor. Yeah. No, it's fine. There is still one more capacitor, one more chance to get to have like a shorted power rail, and then you'll have a shorted MOSFET like this one. Okay, good. I'll stop now. So if you have a job like this and you have a shorted capacitor, replace the capacitor, because after that you'll find a shorted MOSFET. Well, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, like always, and see you on the next one. Bye.